Magandang hapon, mga apo. Ako si Lolo Jib, inyong lolo mula sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Alam niyo, isang Pilipino ako mula sa Pakistan at napunta ako sa Jeddah noong 1992. Nakaasawa ako ng inyong lola noong Nobyembre 17, 1993 at hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin kami. Sana'y magkasama pa rin tayo sa kabilang buhay. Ngayon, may kwento ako sa inyo, isang kwento tungkol sa kapatawaran. Good afternoon, grandchildren. I am Lolo Jib, your grandfather from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. You know, I am a Filipino from Pakistan, and I came to Jeddah in 1992. I married your grandmother on November 17, 1993, and we are still together until now. May we remain together in the afterlife. Now, I have a story for you, a story about forgiveness. May isang lalaki na may dalawang anak. Pareho silang gustong mapasaya ang kanilang ama, pero nagkaroon sila ng pagtatalo. Ang isa ay nagpakita ng pagmamahal sa pamamagitan ng pagtulong sa mga gawain sa bahay, at ang isa naman ay nagpakita ng pagmamahal sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng regalo sa kanilang ama. Ang ama ay naging masaya sa kanilang dalawa. There was once a man who had two sons. Both wanted to please their father, but they had a disagreement. One showed his love by helping with the household chores, and the other showed his love by giving gifts to their father. The father was happy with both of them. Isang araw, nagkasala ang isa sa mga anak sa kanyang kapatid. Nasaktan niya ang damdamin ng kanyang kapatid. Nagalit ang kanyang kapatid at ayaw na siyang kausapin. Ano kaya ang dapat gawin ng anak na nagkasala? You pause, allowing them to suggest solutions. One day, one of the sons wronged his brother. He hurt his brother's feelings. His brother got angry and didn't want to talk to him anymore. What should the son who had done wrong do? Tama. Humingi siya ng tawad sa kanyang kapatid. Sinabi niya na hindi na niya ulitin ang kanyang ginawa. Pinatawad naman siya ng kanyang kapatid. Ang saya-saya nila. Ang pagpapatawad ay isang napakahalagang aral sa Islam. Pagpapatawad ay nagpapakita ng ating pagmamahal at paggalang kay Allah. That's right. He asked for forgiveness from his brother. He said he wouldn't do it again. His brother forgave him. They were both so happy. Forgiveness is a very important lesson in Islam. Forgiveness shows our love and respect for Allah. Sinabi ni Lolo Jib, ang pagpapatawad ay nagdudulot ng kapayapaan sa puso. Minsan, may nakagalit din ako noong bata pa ako. Ang hirap magpatawad noon, pero nang humingi ako ng tawad at pinatawad ako, naging magaan ang aking pakiramdam. Subukan niyo ito, mga apo. Masaya ang puso kapag nagpapatawad. Ito ay kwento mula sa inyong lolo Dr. Muhammad Javed Khan Jadoon, ang inyong lolo mula sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Lolo Jib said, forgiveness brings peace to the heart. Once, I also had a disagreement when I was young. It was hard to forgive then, but when I apologized and I was forgiven, I felt relief. Nearly, grandchildren. The heart feels happy when you forgive. This is a story from your grandfather, Dr. Muhammad Javed Khan Jadoon, your grandfather from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.